Hello. Hello to the Big Data Forum. I'm so sorry I can't be there today with you in person, but just wanted to talk to you about Big Data at Orange. So Big Data at Orange, the way we do structure our strategy for Big Data at Orange, so we are structured around three axes. Number one, our customers. So our customers, we want to improve the quality of services that we deliver to our customer, on the total customer experience that we bring to them, and for that we strongly rely in big data. Number two, open data, and for open data we deliver open data from our networks, from our customers in an anonymous way to the scientific and public authorities. And number three, through specific commercial partnership, we want to be able to offer services not only to our customers but to partner through partnership to other customers in mixing data from our own networks and services with data that come from our partner, for example, for tourism or public transportation. On big data, to move forward for big data, we have to have an operation mode. We do operate at Orange in 35 countries, so to move forward, we've got a group program at the Orange Group level with a specific organization that defines pilots on which are then implemented by the different countries that want to move forward with the group on these specific big data programs. In order to move forward on big data, we've defined that we want to implement some specific use cases. More than 90% of these use cases are for internal usage, so big data for our own customers. On these use case, they do integrate sources that come from both commercial elements, usage elements, technical elements, on elements data that do come from the interaction of our customers with our customer service, with our shops, with our digital activities. The main focus on the large majority of our use case are based on internal use rather than external use. The management of this program at the group level is shared between IT group and group marketing activities that do work together as a team in order to implement this big data operationalization in the various use case implementation. So we do have a steerco, and the management of this steerco is ensured through this technical IT and marketing team in order to focus on what will be the next steps for either additional revenue, improved customer experience, better design for implementation of new services. We do think that there is a lot of room in a very strong opportunity in improving the quality of service, the quality of experience that we do offer to our customers, mainly because the way we did manage in the past our networks was to get and to manage KPIs on the network themselves, on the elements of the network, but not with the perspective of the quality of the network as experienced by our own customer. And to be able to manage that with the commercial data and the commercial usage of who are our customers, it will definitely improve the way we manage our customer according to their quality, who they are, and their needs. We do recognize that there are pushbacks. Yes, there are internal pushbacks, there are strong pushbacks, mainly because in large companies, in telcos, in banks, you've got plenty of database. And the people that were in charge of this database, they did consider they were the kings of this database, the kings of their contents. And so they don't want the end of the kingdoms that do exist in the past, while big data, it's exactly the opposite. It's your data doesn't belong to you. All the data belong to everybody in the company to improve the life of our customers. So it's really a cultural change, it's a cultural move, and some people are reluctant to that kind of change, but whether they like it or not, it is the future, and for the sake of our customers, the share of this data through big data will prevail. Privacy. Privacy is definitely an issue, and that's why Stéphane Richard, our CEO, has signed a specific chart, which is a commitment from Orange that we will ensure our customer, that we will put our best efforts in ensuring the security for the warehousing of the data of our customer, for the transparency of the treatment of the data of our customer. We'll also provide to our customer an app which is called My Private Data, which will allow each one of our customers to manage, to control, and to be the real owner of his own data that are used and that are not used by Orange, and we will coach them. It's really our commitment in order that they've got all the skills, all the ability, all the training to monitor their own data. You know, it's not only a buzz. It's not only a buzzword. That's something that will exist, that will prevail. When I talk to my peers all over the world, really the feedback that what we share is that definitely it will be something that will be. There is no way out. It's something which is absolutely mandatory. So the only thing is to implement it in the best possible way.